Hey fellas, hope you are doing perfectly fine. Welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video. And I've ordered this package from Amazon. It contains 13-in-1 accessories for SJCAM or any other action cameras. So I'll be doing the unboxing of this, and I'll be also checking the quality what I've got. And this is I've ordered from Noise company. So without doing further ado, this is the traveler guy. Let's get started. It is not as it is shown in the video, like all the accessories are arranged properly. It's not like that. It's just that they are in the polythene. All are in the same polythene, so I have to take out every accessory one by one. Okay, so first of all, this is the handlebar, and you can also get this nylon strap. So you can put, let me show you where we can put it. This is the SJCAM SJ6 Legend, the action camera I've been using from a few months now. If you didn't check out the video, the unboxing and review video, you can click on the I button and watch it. So this will go in here, and then you can hold your camera like this, and you can also use this thread. I don't know where to put this thing, but yeah, you can also use it. So this is the one thing, and the other thing is the stick, the recording stick, we'll call it. Okay, so this has, oops, I dropped something. So this has okay, so this SJCAM has a screw beneath this under the camera, so we can also put it like this, or you can also use the mount and then put the camera here if you don't have this screw in your camera. Quality is not bad at all. If we look at the price range, quality is not bad at all. So here we go, keeping this thing aside. Now we have this strap. Yeah, this is the strap. Okay. So this strap, this is a head strap. Quality is okay. It seems that it will last long. Not bad. And this is the chest strap, I believe. And this is the chest. Yeah, this is the chest strap. Yeah, it also looks okay. Not bad. This is a handle mount, or if you want to mount your camera on any sort of rod, you can mount it with this accessory or mount, whatever you want to call it. And this is a hand, the grip, the hand mount, the arm mount, whatever. So you can like this here, and then around this. Okay, it's difficult to do it, but not that much. So here we go, like this, and you can put your camera and like this, and you can put your camera here. Quality of this is also fine. Pouch, normal nylon pouch. This is for the this will stick on in the mirror of the car. If you want to use this as a dash camera, you can also use it. And 2J mounts. Yeah, this is for bag. If you want to, if you have a backpack on your back and you want to put a camera, you can use this. You can use this, and you can use this and put it in the strap like this, and the camera here. And this is one extra J mount. So there are total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is 360-degree, by the way, the hand mount, the arm mount. All the accessories are there, and they are pretty okay in size. I mean, not bad at all. If you want to buy that in this price range, you can buy. By the way, I bought it for like 1500 or something. You can go in the description below in the video, and you can check the link, and if you want to buy it, you can buy it from there and support my channel. It will serve two purposes. You will also get it for lesser price, and then you can also support my channel. So this is it, and I will be checking these things. I'll be using them and let you guys know how they work. So that will be it for now, and ciao guys. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you very much for supporting me, and see you in the next video.